Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse your Google Play Store or use the browser for Xiaomi Redmi 10A. So let's start with Google Play Store and try to download any app. And for example, let's go with this one. Now if we click on install, it changes to the pending mode and the download won't start. Let's cancel that and move on to the Google Chrome or any other browser that you're using. And right here, if we try to refresh this page or visit any other, there's an error. So if you want to fix this, you'll need to open the settings, scroll all the way down to find additional settings, then date and time, and right here enable use network provided time. If we go back to Google Play Store and try to download the game, it should start normally. If not, you might need to restart the Google Play Store, but it works fine. Now the same is with a Google Chrome. If we refresh the website, it opens again. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.